Are you curious about the unexplained? We've got something that will blow your mind. Astronaut SunitaWilliams was cruising through the cosmos in her Starliner spacecraft when she heard something strange. A mysterious sound echoed from within the spacecraft. Was it a mechanical glitch? Or something more otherworldly? Engineers are scratching their heads, diving into data, and running tests to solve this cosmic mystery. Theories range from mundane to mind-blowing. Could it be a new space phenomenon? Or just a trick of the mind in zero gravity? One thing's for sure, the universe always has more surprises in store. Stay tuned as we uncover the secrets of Sunita Williams' Starliner adventure. Hit that follow button for more space mysteries.